Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Temitope. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. In today's video, I'm going to be reacting to the Carpenters, Raining Days and Mondays. This is my first time of listening to this. I've never heard of it, and I'm really excited to do this because I'm hoping to enjoy myself and just have a nice time, guys. But before we get started, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Just take a moment, please. Click on the subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications so you are the first to be notified every time I upload a new video. Let's get started, guys. Like, that was such an amazing performance. I love the uniqueness of the song. Wow.
Talking to myself and feeling old. Sometimes I'd like to quit. Nothing ever seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. What I've got they used to call blues. Nothing is really wrong. Feeling like I don't belong. Walking around some kind of lonely cloud. Rainy days, Mondays always get me down.
Wow.
Funny, but it seems I always wind up here with you. Nice to know somebody loves me. Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel is come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days, Mondays always get me down. Funny, but it seems that it's the
She's drumming. Wow.
only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel is come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing
Wow.
to do but frown. Rainy days, Mondays always get me down. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days, Mondays always get
That was beautiful. That was amazing. Wow. Her voice is soothing and beautiful. I love the fact that she was multitasking. She was singing and she was drumming. Wow, that's not easy, guys. That's not easy. And she pulled it. And she pulled it so well, guys. That was amazing. Her voice is a gift to the world. So pure, so amazing, so beautiful, soothing. Guys, wow, that was amazing. That was amazing. She has a beautiful voice, and like, it's easy to go through the emotions with her. Just watching her and listening to what she's saying, it's easy to connect with her. Wow, mind-blowing, amazing. Her voice is beautiful and classic. Like, that was an amazing performance, guys. That was amazing. She was talking about her mood, and the song to me is emotional, but then I still enjoyed it. Like, I enjoyed the performance. I enjoyed the way they, it was just, it was amazing. I enjoyed it, guys. I enjoyed it. Wow. Why am I just hearing about them? Why am I just, getting to know them? That was amazing. We've come to the end of the video, guys. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and also please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Please just take a moment, click on the subscribe button, the red button down. Yes, please subscribe, and also click on the notification bell button so you are the first to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.